This is a BOYA BYM1 mic unboxing and review. This mic costed me about 739 rupees. The mic came earlier this day. I have heard about this mic on the social media, on the YouTube. They have pretty good review about this. This mic is recommended by many YouTubers, so I thought I should buy this one. But if you are a new YouTuber like me, you don't really need this mic. In fact, up to this point I was recording all of my videos either by earphone or by the default camera app. You can get away with just your earphone. In fact, even default camera app will do your job. If your content revolves around you sitting in front of the camera and not doing any dynamic movement from a really good distance, then you don't really need a mic. The cons of this is that you have to switch off the fan like I am. As you can see, I am sweaty. Also, the default camera app is not really good at cancelling the noise, and the range is pretty small, so you have to use some earphone. In fact, the earphone also has its own demerits, such as you have to clip it somewhere, and the range of the earphone is the length of the earphone. Also, one more important thing: when you record with the default camera app or your earphone, the recording, the level of the sound is not up to the mark. It's a bit low, so you have to keep all of this in mind. Now let's get that out of the way and start the unboxing. So okay, let's start the unboxing. This video is right now recorded without any mic, by the default camera app only. Sorry with that noise, my house is having some construction. As you can see, this is the box. I'm sorry, I have to scream really loud because the default camera microphone is not that sensitive. And yes, I am using my kitchen mat. Mind it. As you can see, this is the BOYA BYM1 mic. This is the sign of the originality. You can put this number on their website and check the authenticity of this product. And what else? The package says it is compatible with mobile, tab or tablet, maybe iPad, I don't know, laptop, computer, camera. What is this? Handheld camera? I don't know. Handycam. Yeah, handycam. They say this is for smartphones, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, PC, etc. This is a lavalier microphone micro cravate. See? Everything. The features are clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorder, omnidirectional. Oh, this says omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise. Includes lapel clip. I don't know what this lapel clip is. If you know, please comment down below. This has LR44 battery, foam windscreen. This will be really handy. This foam windscreen and 1/4 inch adapter. Why don't we see what is inside the box? What's inside the box? You must have seen the Seven movie. This is the reference from Seven movie. Oh, this has a pouch. This is the instruction manual, universal guide. This is some basic stuffs. You don't really need to know this. This is a warranty card from Shenzhen Jiaz Photo Industrial BOYA mic. This is a Chinese product, but who cares? This is the sticker. As long as they are providing real good thing and their production has ethical values, they are not exploiting their users, they are not having some controversial stance on some topics, I am okay with that. Oh, this is the pouch. I think this will be really handy, no pun intended. This is the qualified certificate. That side is Chinese. What is this? This is the, I think this is the windscreen I was talking about. This is a pin. I don't know what I will use it for. I have bought this mic only for my phone and maybe for my PC. This is the, I think this is the LR44 battery. I think they must have a battery inside this as well. No, they don't have any battery inside it. This is the condenser. When you put the battery, check the sign. This is plus, this is minus. This is plus. Of course this should be the minus. So plus should be above. Yeah. See, this is plus minus. This is really premium looking mic. See the matte finish and this grip. Oh. This is a switch. This is for camera and this is for a smartphone. When you are using the smartphone, press it here, switch it here. If you are using camera, switch it here. Okay, this is the clip. This is the Velcro for managing the wire. This wire is really long. This is about 20 feet. This is the clip. This clip is for mic, I think, and this is for the condenser. Yeah, just like that. And this is the windshield, and your mic is ready. Most of the time you will need this, not this. I don't know where you will use this, because I am mostly a smartphone user or PC user, and also my PC's 3.5 mm jack is not working, so maybe I'll use the USB to 3.5 mm for the laptop. Okay, so why don't we test it? Okay, I am far enough so that the camera's default mic will not catch my voice. Okay, I am just trying to test whether it was the mic's recording or the camera's default app recording. So I came to the conclusion that it was not the mic who was recording at that time. It was the default camera app's mic which was recording. So for using this mic, I will have to use open camera as the other YouTubers have suggested. Okay, in order to use your BOYA mic with the camera, you will have to install another app called Open Camera, and you will have to change some settings. So since I will be showing this through the screen recording, why don't I show you how to use the mic with the screen recorder as well. In fact, I have checked it, and our mic does work with the default screen recorder app. I am of course using the Redmi K20 Pro. You may be using some other phone. I haven't checked with that. Let me show you. This is the screen recorder, the default screen recorder app. Go to the settings, the resolution, video quality, orientation system. So these are all the settings you will be adjusting according to your needs. The main point is the sound source. When you click the sound source, select the mic and you will be good to go. Now the Open Camera app. Go to the Play Store, select search Open Camera. Since I have already installed this app, it is not showing me the install button, rather it is showing me the open. Go to open. You should go to the settings, video settings, video format MPEG 4 H264. I think this is the most compatible version. Maximum duration unlimited. Restart now. Maximum file size, I think 9 GB. That is more than enough. Record audio, yes, of course we will be using the record audio. Why are we using this mic? To record the audio, right? Now for the audio source, the external mic. That is the whole crux of this video. And audio channel, you may tweak around these settings. Video bitrate default, video frame rate 30 frames per second, you may use your 50-25 frame per second or anything. So I think this is enough. Let's see. Let's see if the mic is working or not. Thank you guys for sticking till the end of the video.